welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne dissected Marcia's party, and he was speaking about how wonderful Marcia looked. He said that her presence was elegant. Basically, that, she understood her own assignment and she came out stunning. And with that being said, he's saying that, you know, she did an excellent job. And the people that were supposed to be at her party were the ones that were there, the genuine people. He's saying that it's best to have the genuine people at the party than to have a bunch of people that, did not like her. And so he think that the party was great and it couldn't have been any better. And even though it could have been better, he said, the people that were supposed to be there was there. And he said that, these people, they enjoy themselves. They were able to do so because there were more space for them to basically spread out and have their fun. So he's saying that it's a wonderful party, and Marcia did an excellent job. She had her team. So go and catch the video, hear what he has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you a happy birthday, and I wish you prosperity, love, peace, and everything that your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies, my subscribers, my supporters, my friends, followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day today.
You only choose to not support her because of people on the claim say you're cheering for her. And darling, maybe not found on a really one go looking at herself. But yes, it was to be expected. It really was to be expected. Because most of you who watches Marcia or watches Tincha, watches whoever, any one of us, Honor already chosen a side, and on the side it's clearly over there, so probably Donna or Chris or whoever, and Honor just watch them because Honor wants to kind of fuck with them at chat and just keep it pushing. But me I said to the people, them supporters, like Marcia supporters and all of the supporters, I feel like if Honor say Honor really appreciate people or Honor really support people, Honor should make an effort to show that person, especially at special occasions like their birthdays, etc. If they're having any kind of events, Honor should really come out and show out for that person. If you choose to, it is not forced, but if you choose to go, go. And don't let no man or woman tell you otherwise. And I'm gonna say, for me, the party could have gone better, but this is how God wanted it to be. I saw God did want to figure, and I'm sure that everyone in that room left that party with a smile on their face and they had a good time. There wasn't a lot of people there to be rubbing shoulders on them, so there was enough room for them to spread out and bubble and to just enjoy themselves. And I feel like the party could have never gone any better. It could have, but that's how God wanted it. And for me, that there's a saying in life: do your best, and leave the rest. And I am sure Marcia and her people, they did their best and they came out and they embraced her and they had a good time. And who could have asked for more? And not just that, why have a lot of people come to your party who openly hates you and not people who really love you and love you wholeheartedly? Listen, quality is better than quantity. And to me, the people who attended Marcia's party was the quality of people who liked her enough to say, yes, Marcia, we will come and celebrate your birthday with you. And that is a beautiful thing. How many of us can say we've had parties and people pay money to come and vibe with us or spend a few hours with us if it's not free? And it's not free. If we know that we black people, we love freebies, we love free stuff, right? And how many of us can say we can have a party and people pay them money to come and have a good time with us? And listen, Marcia, in life, do your best and leave the rest. You understand? And that is okay. I loved your party. The ambience was beautiful. Most of the women, they came out strong. Federica, again, for me, is the woman of the night in terms of the guest, right? So thank you for showcasing your party. And yes, 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 a lot of people may say it is embarrassing because not many turned out. But we all know, say, them people here, them love to hate the woman for no reason, only because she and Donna or she and whoever is not on good terms. Most of you people on here, you should be ashamed of yourselves. But however, who am I to tell you who to support and who not to support? Let those who truly like to support you for you and you alone. And that is it. Welcome, what's up? Everyone in my life, what's up? Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. My apologies. Thank you to everyone for coming. Whether you are an ally or whatever, thank you for coming. I appreciate it. So, let's move on to Marcia. Let's brace myself for this one. So, Marcia. For me, you looked amazing. And when I say amazing, you understood your own assignment and you came out very strong, right? Your attire was well thought about. You put yourself together and, the pearls and, just everything. Everything, what's it called? What's it called? That thing on that thing here, it put it together. It put the look together. And you look really gorgeous. You look really, really gorgeous. The only fault I would say is maybe you could have had a pin to pin on the hat so it just didn't keep on falling off when he was sashaying around the room. Sashaying around the room. That's my only flaw. But everything else, you looked amazing. You looked $1,000,000, Marcia Campbell. You look gorgeous. You look stunning. They're saying like aesthetics. Your attire was pure perfection. Your attire, to me, is the definition of pure aesthetics. What do I mean by pure aesthetics? It means the beauty of everything. It flowed. It really flowed for me. I don't care. And I'm gonna go a little bit further. I'm gonna go a little bit further. I'm gonna go a little bit further and say, Marcia, I know I see these people trying to ridicule you, but let me tell you this, point blank, period. You look better than Donegal for her party. You did. Yes, Donegal had the crowd. Yes, Donegal had the crowd. And it was to be expected. Donegal would have had the crowd. Why? Because she has a lot of people behind her. But having crowd behind you and you not knowing how to put yourself together well is clearly a flaw. And that will always be Donegal's flaw. That will always be Donegal's flaw. Yes, Master, you never had the crowd. Yes, Donegal had the crowd. But in terms of me being a fashion police, you put yourself together far better than Donegal. Respectfully, too, you did. Look at Marcia's fit and look at Donegal's fit. Let's be quite frank, Donegal looked like a bag of chips, a sack of potatoes. She did. Quality, absolutely quality. Marcia looked like $1,000,000 while Donegal looked like a bag of potatoes, a sack of potatoes. Let's be real. Yes, they're both beautiful. They both of them are two beautiful black women. However, in terms of aesthetics, what is aesthetics? Go and look it up. In terms of aesthetics, Marcia came out very strong. Donegal was very much mediocre. Respectfully. Yes. And I know, I knew Donegal would have had a crowd and Marcia would have never had a crowd. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I think our aesthetics is better than the crowd. Let Donegal keep her crowd. Let Donegal keep her crowd. It's only because those people were afraid to tell her, Plank Boss, you didn't look great. You did not. She did not. She came out very weak. And Marcia came out very strong. I see all of you trying so hard to ridicule Marcia because the room was empty. Okay, don't focus on the room. Focus on how well she put herself together. And put Donegal beside Marcia and see who looked better. And don't be biased. I know a lot of you planks are going to be very much biased because when I say, oh, my auntie. An auntie cannot dress. Or the auntie have a very bad dress sense. Or the auntie needs a flipping stylist. She needs a stylist. Let's be real. Donegal, you need a damn stylist. You need a stylist, my girl. In fact, Marcia, let me tell you something. Give Donna some fashion tips in terms of when you're going out to events. Marcia, send her a few pointers of how to dress like a big woman. Marcia came out like a big woman, a beautiful big woman. And Donegal, she always look put on them hole or something and push by it like as if she thinks she's 15 going on 20. Donegal, relax. I see you very hard trying so hard to ridicule Marcia. I see you. But my girl, the ridiculing was not ridiculing. Yes, and Donegal, I'm going to tell you, a lot of your own audience came out looking better than you. Your audience, some of them came out looking better than you. The only one at Marcia'S party, I would say, came out a little bit stronger, or as strong as Marcia, is Frederica. Because Frederica understood the assignment. Yes, small and intimate is always a good thing, though. You small and intimate is a good thing. It is very much okay. How many people have small and intimate parties out here? A lot of us. Why you guys out here comparing them as if Una never know said that now I gotta have the more crowd than Marcia? Why you guys doing this? Una know say, oh no, if you people are should be honest to yourselves, Una gonna say Marcia attire far exceeds Donegal's look. Donegal look like a bag of flipping chips, a sack of flipping potatoes. All I could see was a lot of rolls. Roll. A lot of rolls. So much rolls. Donegal, take some tips from Marcia on how to dress like a big woman and stop coming out and putting on those hole as if you think you're a young girl. And you see, if you had the body, if you had the body to match the fit, it wouldn't be so bad. But here you are coming out to Plank Nation, trying to ridicule Marcia. Donegal, you cannot ridicule nobody who you can't dress better than. Go and sit down. You cannot do it. You can't. Yes, ridicule her. If you ever say you ever ridicule her because you had the crowd and she did not, okay, I accept. But Donegal, look on the overall aesthetics. The overall aesthetics, including your look. And put Marcia to your look and see who looks better. And see who dressed according to her age range. Is it you or is it Marcia? Shit, it's Marcia. Marcia dressed like a big woman. How a big woman should dress. While you, Donegal, you dress like you dress like a flipping night walker. Let's be real, you dress like a damn night walker. Especially when you love putting on those holes things, those things with all those holes inside of it. It's not cute. It's not flipping cute. But here you are trying to ridicule Marcia because you had crowd. Crowd is not everything, Donegal. Your attire and everything should level up or even or even exceed the crowd. When the crowd look at you, they say, wow. And I didn't give you a damn wow. I said, ugh. Again, hole. That's all you know what to do. Just like a damn night walker, Donegal. You just like a night walker. Minus when you put on the full dresses. Oftentimes you love coming out, you're putting on those whole, as if you are 20. You're a big woman at your damn age. Dress like your damn age range too. If my mother thinks she could be so mad and leave the house looking at her, I would slap her. I said, get your ass back in the idea, go, put on some clothes. My back sit down. Yes, and Marcia said it was not about money. And even if it was about money, Maureen, she would have never made enough because these people hate her are Donegal's people. The people who had enough, who had enough, should I say, extra cash to go and supported. Those who couldn't go supported her in spirit on her live stream. And it is okay. It is perfectly okay. Don't I see you think everybody in a competition with you. But you know, realize say you should be your only competition, your only competitor. Everybody you want to come out in a competition with. And look at you. Marcia had a party yesterday, and look at you come out today and post your night of elegance, your this, your that. Your attire for both those events, you look like a damn night walker. Maybe you should have taken 2 fashion tips from Marcia, and Marcia would have helped you to make yourself look like a big woman. Or even better, you should have got yourself a damn stylist. Because trust me, you cannot dress to save. You can't dress to save a damn life. So how are you gonna come out here and be ridiculed Marcia because you didn't have crowd? Hello? Didn't you scam me for those crowd? You scammed me for those crowd, right? But that is not what we're here. We're not here for that. We're not here for that, Donna. Donna, your face everybody out there is in competition with you, but they're not. You're just too enough for a big woman who claims you are a humanitarian. Here you are coming out here. I try to ridicule Marcia because you had the crowd and she did not. Donna, I'm gonna tell you, Marcia, even though Marcia did not have the crowd, she looked like a flipping $1 million. While you, on the other hand, on your both parties, the one with the pink, you look like somebody will walk on the back corner of Jamaica, and the one in the white, you look like a bag of chips, a sack of potatoes. The one in the pink, you look like somebody will walk on the back corner, and the one in the white, you look like somebody who just like a bag of flipping chips. You don't know how to dress for a big woman, and you should have perfected the art of pure aesthetics a long time ago. But shit, you didn't have no good. You never had it. How dare you? Could you not see? Hey, then you're going to talk about a damn humanitarian. Which part? You're a damn bully. Shut up. Donna, shut up. You're not coming telling you 2 hot words. Yes, keep milking those cows over there. Keep milking them. Marcia, keep embracing yourself. Keep enjoying your life. And let those who want to support you. Don't be no damn competition with no damn woman who can't even dress to save her damn life. That me say. And that me damn say. Don't you chat too much. And yes, actually, no. You could have reviewed, you could have spoken, but here you are trying to make it seem like because, you have crowd and she not a crowd. Me know that you're ridicule. I know for a fact that is what you're ridiculing. But Donna, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. Marcia dressed far better than you because Marcia's a big woman while you act like a damn night walker, a street walker. You don't know how to dress. I see it's because you never had no good influence in your life. You never had no great influence in your life. I can tell this is why you are the way you are. And you think you reach, but you don't reach. You don't reach. You look at that bag of flipping chips on your damn white party. All I could say was a lot of rolls. Roll your roll gently down the stream. Bag of chips, bag of chips. That was how Donna look. How dare you? How flipping dare you? A sack of flipping chips. Me not gonna say steal, but look at a stack of chips, a sack of lamb chips. Bright. And then you have a lot of these other big back people, even that one Tammy Faye. Tammy Faye, you hold a party. Hold a party. Let's see how many is gonna come and support you. All of you out here who has the absolute most to say about Master Party, have a party and broadcast.